Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just got these in about 2 days ago. I'm finally getting a chance to do the unboxing of them. So they are obviously the HomePod minis. I had difficulties deciding between the black and the white, so I got one of each just to test them out, see how I like them. And of course, I will be keeping them. So in any event, we're going to do an unboxing of them. So we'll unbox both. We'll start with, I guess, doing a view of how they look. So that's the side, the other side, the other side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Okay, I obviously want to try and keep the serial numbers not exposed, so I obviously won't be showing the full thing. So let's start with, I guess, the white one. Now, Apple has started putting little pull tabs on their wraps. However, for one reason or another, they decided not to do it to the HomePod minis. Seems a little strange, but I guess they have their reasoning for it. So there we go, we finally got it all. Okay, I'll put that to the side, and let's open this up. Gotta maybe shimmy it a little bit, but here we go. Okay, wow, this thing is very, very small, super small. I was not expecting it to be that small. It's obviously got the cable built in, which is a braided cable. I don't know if you can really see that too well. Hopefully it looks like you can see a little bit of it, of the braid. We'll get back to that HomePod in a second. Let me just put it to the side for a moment while we look here. Of course, there's a little piece of cardboard there that they have, and it's colored white. HomePod. So of course, this is going to be the instruction manual with. Does it look like there's any Apple stickers? No, I don't think so. Pretty sure there isn't. No, it's most likely just the instruction manual for French and English. Let's see if we can maybe just. Oh, I see what they did. Never mind. We're going to keep that there. And the 20 watts, just want to confirm. Yes, this is the 20-watt power adapter for North America. So it's USB Type-C to, I believe, 120 North American. And that's it. That's in the box. That was in that one. So I'm just going to put this to the side while we unbox the next one. Let's get that out of the way and bring in the black mini. Now I had to do a little bit of a pre-cut hole just to get the cellophane off, but that's not an issue. So these, while I talk about it real quick, they support AirPlay 2. They also support that new feature that Apple introduced last year, which was the intercom feature. So, and of course, stereo pairing, so you can get more of a surround sound when you pair these together. And they work better, of course, together. Okay, so the cellophane, once again, let's get that out of the way. Okay, and let's try and get it to maybe shimmy down. It's really in there, eh? Wow. There we go. All right. I didn't show the top, but there's the top of the black one. Let's see the white one. It's the same. So it's got some padding, of course, on it for obvious reason to protect the display up on the top. And comes with another, of course, braided cable, and this one is color coded to be black, like the main HomePod itself. Put that there for a second to view it. There's no cover on top here, but there is a cover on the bottom of the black one. There's also a cover on the bottom of the white one. But once again, there's no cover on the top of the white one, which would seem a little strange, but I guess because it's plastic and not glass, it's I guess it's easier in terms of transportation. And also, Apple's trying to become a little more eco-friendly, which is, of course, a huge bonus for them. And the same thing here, the cardboard cutout to keep it. This one is covered white, as was the other one. I thought they may have done another one that would have been black, I guess, just to match with the HomePod, but that's fine. Same thing again, inside, it says HomePod Mini, same thing as what you saw on the other one, and again, the same power adapter. USB Type-C to 120 North American style with the 20 watts adapter. Oh, I see what they've done. Anyway, we'll put that there for a moment. Let's put these to the side for a minute so that way you can see the two HomePods together next to each other. That's what they look like. Of course, they're super small. They really are very small. They look somewhat like the, I guess, Google Nest, something similar to that. It's woven the same mesh material that was used in my previous video for the HomePod, the bigger one. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.